Hello, our galaxy. Welcome to my channel. First, apply with brush using water. Then take lemon yellow and apply it. And do not apply that color where the paper is white. Apply the color Scarlet Lake. Here I was using Camel Artists watercolors in 12 shades. Apply the color Scarlet Lake plus Crimson Lake. Now we have to take a little lemon yellow and then apply it on some places. Now the color has to be removed with a clean brush. Scarlet Lake plus Crimson Lake plus Prussian Blue. White color. Realistic apple is ready. I hope if you like my drawing. Like and share, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.